have a donation here for you from Miss P from Ramford, UK. Miss P, $8,000 here for you from Miss P. Check it. Yeah. Give me some now, Jim. Give me some. If you could eat it up in a one go, give me some.
You Kino some now?
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day
Alright, sit down, sit down, sit down.
You
get our ignorant.
Yeah.
Alright.
Patrick.
Yes.
Blessed. Happy New Year, sir.
Same to the Kino.
How is everything?
And we have to give God thanks and praise. We have to give God thanks and praise.
Every time.
Every time. And God bless the donor. The
extended family.
The extended family. God bless them every time.
Yes, sir.
Every time. And God bless Mother Teresa.
Every time.
Every time.
I'm going to check for you say you're going to wake up mass or temple?
No. I'm going to look some medication. Because too many of the money for buying none. I look them free of our company.
Oh, and give free ones there.
Yeah, medication, of our company. We get them free up there. So some of us go look some. The money for buying none. I want to their pipe. So when them do the prescription, we just
go there.
Come because them now have done. Instead of look money for buying, I just go back home.
So are the right one them give?
Yeah, the right one them give. Them give us some pill one here, some processed pill one here, 2 times now. I'm have to get them back. And buy the right one for $2,000. Because when I take them there, they give me side effects. I'm sure doctor, I like doctor, somebody have to take them. No, because them make an India.
Okay.
So
them never good.
No, give me side effects. So I buy the one them I told $2,000. Or just the thing never buy.
Okay.
God, when we get the free one, them not do them give me side effects. So I buy it fast with
That's what I'm saying now. Anything sometime we're free no good. Never good. Anything with them do free, never good still, you know?
But them give me the right till them.
Right now?
Yeah.
So you have the right one now?
Yeah.
Alright, that's good then. Alright, then so I have some donation for you. See me we can help out the situation.
Yes.
Yeah, if you want you can buy pay, see me buy food. You know what to do.
I have little brown rice over there. But I run out of holy flour. When I have a holy flour. And I can buy more bags of brown rice and put up. Some holy flour.
Yeah.
And you have to eat that.
Okay.
Flour, you have to eat.
Yeah.
You can't eat with the white flour.
Alright then. Alright, so I have a donation here for you from Miss P from Ramford, UK. Miss P, $8,000 here for you from Miss P. Check it. That's $8,000 from Miss P from Ramford, UK.
Miss P, thank you very much. God bless you. And I beg God, ask God to make you successful in your work and business. And God bless you. Right in time, Miss P. God bless you, Miss P. God bless you.
So I also have another one for you as well too.
Yeah.
Another donation from Dolly from the UK as well. It's from Dolly from the UK. Got another $8,000 here for you from Dolly from the UK. So that's Dolly from the UK.
Dolly from UK, thank you very much. I don't know how much more of it thank you. I always pray. Yeah, make a member in him like when you name Dolly. Please remember. I'm not a member, but God bless you. And big ask God to make you successful in your work. God bless you, your children. God bless you, right in time, come and need it. Tomorrow, I'm going to tell Mother Teresa. Tomorrow, I'm going to buy some wood flour, some brown rice, and some corn.
Dream team? It's a dream team?
Listen, the dream team, one team. And bless up Kino and dream team. Bless her. Bless her, know you.
Alright then, bless.
Place I could clean up a long time with there, man.
Yeah,
time for it.
so we just go buy the short coat, you know?
Yeah,
the short coat, yeah. Short coat, yeah, the thing now, so you see the wall, and you see them, so there's paint, I got paint, I should wall them like a long time. You hold them, so we buy the short coat, the inside and outside. So you can see one look like it finish, you know? So we're the finishing touch. Yeah, sure. Look, give the guy a shovel. Give the guy a shovel. Because one come so you're smart, take a big shovel. put it over there. Yeah? Give me some now, Jim. Give me some. If you could eat it up in a one go, give me some.
You Kino some now?
Yeah.
Take down your now way.
There's a milk you have worth.
Yes, it on. Yes, it on, yeah.
So now, shut back to now. Chef, yes. He'll tear out again.
Take off the mold material there.
A tile and eat it, you know?
No.
Oh, tile.
Let's show you.
Basta show me that. Like thin set. It's like thin set.
And a thin set. Far high.
Yeah.
Now one after the wall.
Like a filler.
And you put this one in here. doing that?
Eh?
So you are doing that?
Me? Could you say? But all everybody can bring the country come at town.
So travel to Newcastle on Sunday.
Bring the country come at town, you know.
Home to Spurs the following Monday.
I have to bring the country come at town.
Thinking about
Same way.
European qualification. If they're there or thereabouts at this stage.
That's the wall smooth and nice, man. Stroke what I'm trying to nice.
Yeah. So you see when paint are up and paint is rubbed through easy. See it dry. Yeah. Let there be light. You Leela. What Leela? Give me to me now. Man, give me money now. Happy New Year. Give me money. Give me money. Give me money. Give me $20. Give me $20. Nah, give me no money. Hey me, I take care of a dream team. Okay, nah, give me no money. Jella, let's take care of a dream team, Jella. That she not give me no money. We are bringing on our sister. We are bringing your sister. Bring Elena. We are bringing her upon the dream team and take her up you. We are substitute.
No.
We are bringing Elena. Call her Jella. Because Elena has been money.
No.
Jim Belly Paul, mango the whole place. All the whole body I eat mango.
Very full now.
Belly, I heard your dream. them good, man. Justice, we have one name out. Oh, I change. Yeah, sit down back here, sir.
One more, sit down here. Find them out.
No, you're too close to the water. You know, good man. Eh? Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiro Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.